it's been a weird, not really a project kind of day. We've had a lot of stuff to do. We've had long work days, and that makes for long days. And then you come out here on the chicken yard early in the mornings, then you go to work. You come home and you still got more quail, chicken, ducks, and things to do. It just makes for a long day. It just is what it is. And sometimes, you know, after you come home from work, you're tired, you have to cook supper. A lot of times this is where they'll find me up until it's time for them to go to bed. I'll just sit out here on the edge of the barn and listen. I just literally listen, because those quail, they talk and they have such pretty voices, and they just sing so nice, and they just have a good time whatever they're doing back there. It's very relaxing to do. So sometimes it's not all about a project day. It's all about making sure everybody gets fed, making sure everybody gets water, making sure everybody's got what they need. But I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna rest, and I'm just gonna listen to these beautiful quail sounds and all the sounds of my chicken yard, because it's awesome.